Learning the Nishmas Etta Ahuva Bas Yaakov Menachos Menachos Parak Tesh Mishna Tes Chumra B'Smicha B'Tnufa. Smicha is a chumra over Tnufa. Tnufa B'Smicha. Tnufa is a chumra over Smicha. If you bring a carbon b'shutvis, so then there's a chumra of Smicha, because over there each person has to do Smicha. However, Tnufa, Echad Meinef Chachal Haver, and one person could do Tnufa on behalf of all of them. That means they get together to bring a carbon nedava. Only one of them has to do Tnufa. But Smicha they all have to do one after the other. The Gemara says because it's impossible for them to do Tnufa together because it's going to be a chatzitza, and one after the other it's exeris hakasa the Tnufa echa v'lo Tnufais. Chumra of Tnufa is that Tnufa neheges b'karbanas yachid b'karbanas tzibur b'chaim u'b'shchutin. Tnufa is noig even by karbanas tzibur, like we learned in Parakei Mishna Yomi by the kivsei atzeres. It's ton Tnufa chaim v'shchutin. And also, it's b'davar sheish b'ruach hayim, davar she'ein b'ruach hayim, because the lachmei toida and the lachmei toida and nazir need tenufa, even though those aren't the animals. Mashenkin smicha, smicha is dafka on an animal. Perek Yud, Mishnah Aleph, which we said in the Gemara is the sixth perek, perek Rabbi Shmuel. So the Gemara says, two machlokes in between Rabbi Shmuel and Chachamim about the Omer. The first one is, Rabbi Shmuel Omer hayabah b'Shabbos mishalosh sin u'b'chol mechamish. The Omer was taken from 3 saw of flour, like we got into earlier, and it was ground down to 1 isarim. But by chol, you would take 5 saw, and it was ground more finely. Chacham Omer have the Chacham say there's no chelik echa Shabbos echa b'chol mishalosh hayabah. It came from 3 saw, and it was ground down to 1 isarim. So the Gemara says, Rabbanan, I understand that was the right way, that was the right ratio to get the fine flour, was you take 3 saw of soilus, and today you get an isar and muvchar. But according to Rabbi Shmuel, if it took 5 saw to get to isar and a flour, so then it's deicha Shabbos, so you should be allowed to do that much tircha on Shabbos as well. So the Gemara says no. The Gemara says that isar and muvchar b'loi tircha asi mechamish b'tircha asi mishalish. There was more tircha to do it from 3, and therefore mutav sheyarbe b'malacha achas b'arkada v'al yarbe b'malachas harbe. It's better to do on Shabbos only from 3 sa, even though you're going to have to do a lot more of harkada. But if you do from 5 sa, then there's going to be a lot more malachas of ksiras, zaira, barer, tchina, kida. Rashi goes through all of them on the Gemara and Samach Gimel Amud Beis. The second machlokes of Chanina Skan HaKohanim, it's the second machlokes between Chanina Skan HaKohanim and Chachamim. Says b'Shabbos hayunikser b'yachid b'maga echad b'kuba achas. On Shabbos, everything was done b'yechidas. So b'chol b'shleisha kupas shleish magalos. On chol it was 3 people with 3 baskets and 3 different sickles to do the harvesting. But Chachamim no, echad b'Shabbos echad b'chol was the same. You also allowed to do with 3 people, shalish kupais, shalish magalis. And the Gemara says that the reason why it was done, the shleisha was the farsim. Rashi says, the reason why it was done, the farsim adavar b'mnei habaysusim, because the baysusim held, the tzedukim said that the omer was brought on Sunday, mimachar as Shabbos, they taish on Sunday. So go to farsim, not to that, to say that it was Motzai Chamisha As Nisan, so therefore they did it be meforsim.